Namaste Vyas, welcome to DM Astrology. Today in this series we are going to see how to positive your area, home, workplace or where you stay or you work, because there are so many negative energy what we cannot see surrounding to us. To detect that negative energy, how to detect, it is better to make the things positive. We cannot eradicate completely the negative energy, but at least it is in our hand to create some positive energy. So to get the positive energy, which are the various modes, I'll tell you about 2025 effective modes which I have personally experienced, and by which now you will be also getting good result out of it. So first of all, let's start with the cleansing. See, cleansing is the one of the best remedy which without any cost you can do it. So cleansing maybe by salt water. You can add some salt in your bucket and you clean all the area, or you can add the colon water, UD colon or any colon water. Colon water is which is we use for the removing the heat from the body also. Normally after shave also people use, in fever also people use. Just add 3 4 this drop of the colon water in your mopping and see the effect, or you just sprinkle at the your curtains and your walls. It will absorb and remove all the negative energy. Just in 5 minutes you will find so positive energy that you can't believe. So cleansing is the best remedy, by either by salt water or either by colon water you can do. The second best remedy is tuning. Tuning means sound. Either by ghanti, just ring the bell, Om bell. There's a Om or Tibetan bell comes, which sound Om, or you have that this vessels and the people just round it and create the sound. It's also called Tibetan bell. Also, that also will be. So cleaning and tuning is 100% sure remedy. So that will be the best you can do, cleansing and cleaning. Then Om bell is a Om bell. Either you can ring Tibetan bell, or you can just have and create the voice of a Om. Om. It's a long bell. Then camphor. That is also a best remedy. Put camphor everywhere except kitchen and except toilet, bathroom. Keep camphor everywhere. It absorbs in the environment. In initial stage, you have to keep more camphor. You don't have to burn. See, normally many people burn outside the house a small camphor every evening just to remove the negativity, because in the evening the negative energy accumulate. So that also you can do, but I suggest just to keep it. You can have in the dispenser also, or you just keep where you sleep, in your cloth, in your all the valuable things, so that whenever you use it, it always create with the positive things. So put camphor in dispenser or keep idly. It will absorb within a week or 15 days. Then again add the new camphor. Then you have a keep fresh flower. This is also a best remedy, because you see, whenever you go and meet the sick people, normally we bring the get the flowers. When we greet someone, when we meet someone, also we put the flowers to them. Why? Because flower has the energy. Best flower remedy is also that flower absorb the heat. So that is why you keep the fresh flower, marigold flower or any flowers you can keep. So in all corner you can keep, especially it is in southwest also you can keep, or any area you can keep the fresh flower. Then you have a fragrance. No fresh flower, then use the fragrance. Just spread the fragrance. There is a fragrance machine also come, or you can manually also just spray some good fragrance surrounding to your area. Then you can burn Loban or Google. This is also a very good remedy. Either Loban or Google. Many people you will see they do the dupe and then they spread in this. This is also the best Loban and Google dupe. It is also a remedy for Rahu also. So you can use for the Rahu remedy also, or you can just burn Loban and Google. That is also a best remedy in the house, in the morning also or in evening. Evening it is must. to burn out all these things. It also remove the mosquitoes. It is also remove all the bacteria in your house. Best remedy, Loban and Google. Then salt water bath. Yeah, that is also very good remedy. Just take some salt. Now don't ask which salt. You can use any table salt, sea salt, rock salt, whatever the salt. You take some salt and keep in this chakra, the Sahasra chakra, and just take a bath. Just take the mug of water and take. Or if you are taking shower, it's okay. So it will spread whole body, and then you can bath with your soap. But that is cleansing salt water bath, or keep rock salt. You can keep the rock salt in all the corners. Don't put in the side, but in the corner. Southwest, southeast, northwest, northeast. Any corner you can, because corner accumulate the energy. So you can keep in the corner so that whatever the energy it has accumulated, that can be cleansed. Then you can do meditation, dhyana, yoga. This also very good positive energy you can create in the home. So just in your sleeping room, any your drawing room, any room, you can just sit. Ideally, it's in northeast corner or facing north or east. Three place, either facing east, facing north, or sitting in northeast corner facing northeast side. So northeast corner. So just meditate it. By this also you can create the good aura of surrounding your house. So meditation, dhyan, yoga is also there. Then clutter, cleaning of clutter. It is always put the a habit to clean the clutter on every Saturday. Just open one door, one drawer, remove the unwanted thing and make it thing proper and clean. You'll find when you remove the negative energy or unwanted energy, the new energy will come. And also you'll find so many things that you are searching since long. So clutter cleaning and unwanted item clean. If you don't wear certain clothes, just give it to others so that at least they use. So that also a remedy. Then keep a rock crystal or amethyst. They both are very good. Amethyst you are keeping, that you can keep in the any direction. Especially if you are keeping crystal, then it is advised to keep in northeast and southwest. So either white is raw crystal you can keep, or you can keep the amethyst. Is also a good concentrator and creating the positive energy. Then if possible, you can burn the cow dung, that is called gobar. In Indian tradition, it is called gobar, or you can burn out the cow dung. It's the best remedy, it's a pure oxygen, and surrounding all the mosquitoes will be burned. So, if you get some chance to have a cow dung, just put some aushadhi, or you can put in the camphor or ghee and just burn it and see the effect. Its ash is also so much important. You can utilize that ash also. So burn cow dung or gobar it is called. Then you can spread the gaumutra, cow urine. Gaumutra also you can sprinkle. It has so much positive energy that now scientists has taken the patent on it, and they are researching so many good medicine out of it. So just if you have a cow urine, that also you can sprinkle. You can sprinkle in the house also. Many people have this that it's a very stinking and bad smell. But see, even though it is medicine is not so good taste, people take no. So you can also take. Do Agnihotra. Do Agnihotra, Homam, Havan. It's also a good energy to burn out all the negativity. Because whatever the this smoke spread in the house, that cleans all these things. You can do small homam. You can do the Loban Google home. There is a ready-made also Ausadi comes that you can burn. That's like spreading this and close all doors and windows so that that smoke round around, and then let it go. It will clean your area for 3 months. Any home havan if you have done, then it has the effect of a 3 to 6 months. Then you have a keep mantra, stotra, or Vishnu Sahasranam. You can have a mantra machine. So just put the mantra machine on and it will continue chant. It also called chanting machine. So mantra, so you can do any chanting mantra, Ganesha mantra, Navagraha mantra, any mantra, or you can have a Vishnu Sahasranam. That's the best beautiful things you can do. Vishnu Sahasranam, it's a very powerful, and by this it create a vibration, so that is also one good things. You can have a light music, instrumental music also, by which also there is a very smoothing effect. Nowadays, now many banks, many temple, many offices are also keeping, and hotels also keeping some light music. That's also part of tuning which cleans the area. So light music. Then donation. See, as you are creating clutter cleaning, you can also donate the things which you are using more, that you can donate more. How you donate? If you let the things, then things will come back. That's a law of attraction. So donation, helping needy people is also one thing, that you create the good things in your surrounding. Call the people at your home and just donate it, right? That's also a good thing. Another thing, by just not doing anything also you are doing good deeds. What it is, don't obstruct anybody. If somebody is doing something, just do the motivation. Don't obstruct its way, not to obstruct or trouble others. That's also a positive energy, because while you are sitting alone and you are thinking that, now do this, now I'll do that, I'll say this to them, that's this also an creating negative energy. It remain in the mind, it's remain in the surrounding, and that will is not a positive energy. So not to obstruct or trouble others. Serving needy people, beggars, poor. So just take a day, select one day, and always donate something. Serve them. If they not need a medical help, give the medical help. If they need clothes, food, whatever, so that is serving needy people, beggars, poor. Keep one day, 1 hour for the serving. Serve to NGO, serve to some hospitals, any charity organization. That is also one good thing. Medical help, the best thing you can do is a medical help. That's also very important. Then you can burn the ghee diyas. Ghee is not butter. I'm not saying butter, but ghee. Pure cow ghee. If you burn the cow ghee, that will spread all. See, cow is the best remedy. Whether it's cow dung, whether it's cow urine, or whether you are using milk or ghee from the cow, it's also so much pure. So, ghee diya or deepak, you can see, pure cow ghee diya you can do in the morning and evening. I will suggest you to do the chameli oil. That's a chameli oil comes. You can burn that chameli oil, that will spread the positive energy surrounding to you and give you best treatment. So ghee, cow ghee diya in the morning, and evening you can do the chameli oil diya. That best, both are best. Then silver is also very good energy when you are in anxiety, stress, tension. It is good. Or otherwise, you can keep the silver bar. It's not a silver coin, but bar where it is written 999 pure silver. That bar, 25 gram, 50 gram, you can put in the your water pot. Or if you are drinking from water bottle, put it in the water bottle. Especially for children, it gives a very calmness to their mind, and they don't become the hyper or anxiety. So for elderly people also, it is good that its mind is gets settled. Previously people drink the water in the silver glass, but nowadays silver glass is not pure. So wherever you are drinking the water pot or water bottle, just put the 25 gram or more silver bar. Keep it that only. It will make the things more positive. Silver water, drinking water, you can do it. Aura cleansing. If you are expert in aura cleansing, then you can do the aura cleansing. Or there are so many oil comes by which your aura gets activated. So aura cleansing is also one of the good thing, that you remove your negativity and bringing the positive energy. Last but not least, prayer. Just 5 minutes, 2 minutes, just do the prayer. By praying Sarve Sukhina Bhavantu, you can also become healthy and wealthy, and you are praying for others. When you are praying for others, that prayers will be accepted earlier than what you pray for your own self. So, Sarve Sukhinam Bhavatu. All people get well. In all, we are also there. You are also there. So, that you can pray. prayer. And last, it was the second last, the prayer is there. Just 5 minutes, 10 minutes, sit in the prayer. Just remember your God, Guru, whom you believe, and pray for health, wealth, and wellness to all. And last, that is my 25th remedy, is listen to your heart. At least sit somewhere and listen to your heart. So many times your heart want to speak to you. You give appointment to everyone, give one chance to your own heart. While doing anything, when you are searching for the answer, what to do, just listen to your heart. Just silent and just listen to your heart. Keep your hand here and listen it. He will tell you the answer is yes or not. Or facing north. By facing north, you are attracting so many good answer. Because north direction in Hindi, it is called Uttar Disha. Uttar means answer. In Hindi, Uttar means answer. So you'll get your answer. So listen to your heart. That's the last remedy for positive energy. So by applying all these things, I'll be sure that your home, house, place, working area will become positive. And then you will realize that you are being very happy. Even in the scarcity also you will feel satisfied. So this is very important. At least do out of this 25 one remedy and see the remedy. If you can able to do all these things, it is best. All this remedy is tested by me personally, so you will be benefited, that is no doubt. So I'll pray you that you apply one of this and get a maximum result out of it. So God bless you. Have a good life, good health, and having the good mind and surrounding by you. Thank you very much for listening this video. Just for such a good videos, you can subscribe my channel DM Astrology, and to get the new videos. And now that's a Vastu series also been started. So be touch with me and stay blessed. Thank you. God bless you. Namaste. Thank you.